Everyone knows you have a great project, but buyers still choose others. The missing link, local branding. Let's fix that today. Hi, I'm Arundas from Digital Synergy. We help real estate businesses build brand presence that attracts buyer organically. Today you will learn how to build trust and attentions in your local market using digital tools. Point number 1. Create local Google presence. Set up Google business profile with real photos, 360-degree walkthroughs. Encourage reviewers from site visit. Update weekly post about project milestone, offers and new amenities. Point number 2. Post local testimonials and client journeys. Video testimonials of families who bought homes. Focus on emotional storytelling plus results. Share transformation stories like rented to own or first home buyers. Point number 3. Use regional language content. Create reels in Hindi, Bengali, Tamil depending on the city. Local tone builds faster trust. Include subtitle for cross-state audience. Point number 4. Influencer collaboration. Local influencer can boost project reach instantly. Use micro-influencer for city-specific awareness. Arrange for influencer site visit and walkthroughs. Point number 5. WhatsApp plus Facebook group campaign. Create a community group for your project locations. Share updates, behind the scenes and new offers. Conduct live Q&A sessions or virtual site tour with groups. Point number 6. Cross-channel content distribution. Repurpose one testimonial video into reels, YouTube shorts and blog posts. Consistently across channel builds brand memorability. Create weekly content calendar with local contact. Brand is not a luxury, it's a necessary. Drop your project name plus city and I will help you create a local brand plan. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate growth tips every week. Thank you so much.